Hello, hello, how are you? All for Jesus, nothing for me. Today, I would like us to cover on topic on how to be aware on how to invest in various government securities, especially here in Kenya. Government securities refers to the government bonds and the government treasury bills. These government securities will help you to generate a consistent passive income on your pocket. So it is a good practice for you to learn how to invest on them. In Kenya, for personally invest in the government securities, you require to open a CDS account via the CBK, either through the CBK head office or CBK branches in Kenya. The head office is located in Nairobi. Mombasa is a branch, Nyeri is a branch, Nakuru is a branch, Kisumu is a branch, Meru is a branch, Nakuru and Eldoret. If you visit those offices, they should help you on how to open a CDS account. If you want to buy government securities, you can also buy them from secondary market, whereby you can use the accredited brokers who can help you to pay or to acquire those government securities from the secondary market, and you will pay them a service fee for you to to acquire it. When you open the CDS account via the CBK, they have improved on their service, and today they have introduced a mobile application called the TMD, Treasury Money Direct, that if you are registered, you can use it to bid and check the status of your bots and also check the balance. They usually use the USSD code *866# *866# is the USSD code that could direct you to TMD service. If you are in Kenya and using operators like Safaricom and you are registered, you can be able to use that service. It's a very good service, and as a young investor or someone who is trying to see where they can invest for them to get passive income, then that's a good service that they have introduced. TMD service is a good service. It refers to Treasury Man Direct, and it will help you as an investor to use the mobile phone to transact easily. We have examples of boards that, as investor in Kenya or interested in Kenya, that you can invest. And the first one, example of a treasury board, is what we call infrastructure board. Mostly it is issued quarterly in Kenya, and you should be aware that the interest or the coupon that you get from infrastructure board, it is tax free. So take opportunity. Averagely for the last few issues, it has been 14%. So it means if you you buy from the primary auction and you buy the minimum 100,000. Every year you are assured that you get Kenya shilling 14,000. So I believe this is a very good deal, especially at this time that everyone is complaining that they don't have money. So take a charge to invest. Then we have the other one called the fixed income board. This you should note that is also good. Mostly they are usually issued monthly by the central bank. So you can, as a young profession, you can be saving money and be able to invest in these fixed income boards. You should learn that the interest attracts a tax of 15% for a board which is lower than 9 years, and 10% for a board which is below 10 years to up to maturity. So it's a good investment. Remember, we want to invest in secure areas. One of the securest area we have is the treasury, is the government securities, and at least you can say we can give a percentage of 95% or 98%, because unless total financial collapse, government will not default. So take a chance to invest in that. There is also the treasury bills. There were 91 days, yes, up to 1 year. Those are occasioned weekly. You can also take a chance. They are very attractive. If you have money that you want to maybe to use next year, maybe to build a house, you have saved to build a house, or to take or to go to college next year, and you have saved, instead of that money lying idle in the bank, you can buy a treasury bill which can give you attractive interest, and then you cash it as you are nearing a time when you want to take that uh, project. You should note that the minimum amount required, for example, to invest in infrastructure board is 100,000. So you need to save at least 100,000 to invest personally, or 50,000 Kenya shillings for fixed board. So in summary, we can say the steps or guide to invest in treasury boards or treasury bills through CBK. We can say you need to open a CDS account. That is one you should remember. Second, you need to complete and submit a treasury board application form, or that one you can also do using the TMD, the treasury member direct star 866 hash if you are registered. Then you need to get the auction results. So that is the third. The fourth is you make the payment via your bank. So when you are opening the account, they tell you how to connect to your bank. They will help explain to you if you visit them. They help you to do it. So the next step is the what we call maturity proceeds. This is when you'll be receiving interest payment semi-annually. After every 6 months, you'll be getting something because you did investment. And remember, this money is very sweet because you are earning it passively. You are earning it passively. Kindly visit them. Take that risk of visiting them. It can be the game changer in your life as you strive to build your income. All for Jesus, nothing for me. Thank you for listening to me. Bye.